In the line of duty, few years ago, precisely 2016, my humble path crossed that of a son from the land of the souls. Ile-Ife, Ife ò dáyé, Ife ò yè lágbò. I am talking of no other person than Oluwaseun Akanji Araoye Owojori. I met Owojori on the entourage of His Royal Majesty Oba Professor Adekunle Adeogun Okunye, the Eburu of Ibaland. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, family, friends, and well-wishers, join me to celebrate the birthday of this noble son from the land of the souls. Oluwaseun Akanji Araoye Owojori is a research analyst with the Osun State Investment Promotion Agency, an agency mandated to attract and facilitate local and foreign investment to Osun State. Oluwaseun Owojori is also the managing partner of Christ Gold Consulting, a consultancy outfit that provides services on training, SMEs, and conferences. Oluwaseun Owojori is an organizational development, e-commerce, and social media people and culture and training and development specialist. He has consulted on development planning, policy formulation and implementation for non-governmental organizations and governmental agencies, departments and ministries at community, local and state level. My bosom friend, Oluwaseun Owojori, wrote the blueprint for 10 years IBA development plan and was a member of the drafting subcommittee of the State of Osun Development Plan 2018 to 2028. He was appointed Secretary of Publicity Subcommittee of Lions Club International Convention Osogbo in 2012 and was later elected Director of Publicity Osogbo Metropolitan Lions Club International between 2012 and 2013. Owojori is the CEO and founder of atoloyemaja.com. atoloyemaja.com is operating on the platform of Nigerian emerging branding, creative information and intelligence firm Atoloyemaja Nigeria Enterprises, which operates a blog, online radio, and audiovisual channel in Osogbo, Osun State Capital. Oluwaseun Owojori studied statistics at the Federal Polytechnic Ede. He had his first degree in accounting from the prestigious Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife. He holds Masters of Business Administration, Masters of Public Administration, as well as Masters in Entrepreneurship Education, obtained from the foremost premier university in Nigeria, University of Ibadan. Oluwaseun Owojori is a university teacher, researcher, and community service provider. Oluwaseun Araoye has working experience spanning civil service, insurance, banking, consulting, academic, and public service. Oluwaseun Owojori has been an academic staff at the Lead City University, Ibadan, in the Department of Accounting and Finance. He later joined Joseph Ayo Babalola University, Ikeji-Arakiji, and Obafemi Awolowo University's Institute for Entrepreneurial Studies. In his quest for service to humanity, Oluwaseun Owojori was appointed Personal Assistant, Finance and Documentation to the Honorable Commissioner for Home Affairs, Culture and Tourism. He was promoted to Senior Special Assistant, Strategy and Documentation, and was seconded in 2016 to Oba Professor Adekunle Adeogun Okunye upon his appointment as 13th Eburu of Ibaland. as Special Advisor, Strategy, Tourism and City Development. Oluwaseun Owojori later joined the services of Vision Scope Consulting Limited in 2017 as a consultant, handling tax and management advisory services. That noble son of the land of the source, Oluwaseun Owojori, is pioneer and current Director General of the Osun Youth Economic and Governance Summit Group, and a member of the advisory board of same organization formed and operated like famous National Economic Summit Group. He has served as a panelist at the annual Global Entrepreneurship Week, speaker at the several conferences, seminars and workshops, home and abroad. He is the author of 3 books and several papers delivered at national and international conferences. Ladies and gentlemen, Oluwaseun Owojori is a consultant coach and creative graphic artist. His image and visual designs have attracted commendation and applause from many loyalists and admirers, impacting personalities and touching lives. The birthday boy is a passionate and patriotic Ife man. He is married to Wuraola, an accountant and businesswoman, Oluwaseun Akanji Alaoye Owojori. Congratulations on your birthday. Since the time our path crossed, you have been a jolly good fellow. May all your lofty dreams be accomplished. May all your beautiful wishes be fulfilled. May God continue to grant you long life, healthy life, prosperous life, a life filled with monumental progress and achievement. I love you. I celebrate you. I rejoice with you. Oluwaseun Akanji Alaoye ọmọ Ládèjì àti Fọlákẹ́ Àṣeyánbọ́lá Owójọrí òkú ọjọ́ ìbí. Àkànjí Atólóyè Májà, ìwọ lọmọ wíwá má ṣẹ́ lókè Ayétòrò nílé Ifẹ̀. Ifẹ̀ ò dáyé, Ifẹ̀ ò yé láàgùn. Níbi ojúmọ́ tí ń mọ́ wá Ifẹ̀ àtètè kan Ifẹ̀ afẹ́mọ́ lójú tóótó. Ifẹ̀ nílé àrólé Oòduà. Ọọ̀ni Adéyẹyè Ògúnwùsì Ọ̀jájá kínní ẹ̀yin lọmọ aládé Adéwúre jìnpìnì bí àti àkún. Ọọ̀ni Babátúndé ẹni ìtàn. Bàbá Tadéníkáwò Adésọjí ẹ̀yin lọmọ wọn nífẹ̀ẹ́ òòyè láàgbò. A kì í dúró kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọọ̀ni, a kì í bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ òòyè láàgbò. Ẹni dúró kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọọ̀ni ẹbọ ni wọ́n fi rú wọn bọ. Ẹ̀yin lọmọ olódò kan ò téréré, ọmọ olódò kan ò tàràrà. Odò tó ṣàn wérèké, odò tó ṣàn wérèké, tó dá ìkúlé Ọ̀ṣìnlẹ̀, tó dá bàtà, tó dá ìkúlé Adéwálé, tó dòkun oníkẹ́kẹ́ kò gbọ́dọ̀ bùmú, alábàjá ò gbọ́dọ̀ bùwẹ̀. Ògèdègédé o ní ṣọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ ni yóò mú mi odò náà gbẹ́. Ṣọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ mi wù mí, ẹ jẹ́ kí ibi dandan máa bá lábẹ́. Wọn kì í dúró kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọọ̀ni, wọn kì í bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ òòyè. Kò ga kò bẹ̀rẹ̀ lá kí wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ Òdáyé. Bí wọn ò sì kí wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn kì í tábẹ́rẹ́ ojú bíntín la fi worú wọn. Mi wá kọ́ba nífẹ̀ẹ́ mo pàkúmọ́ ọba yín lónìí ṣẹ́ṣẹ́ fún. Bàǹtẹ́gbọ̀rọ̀ ní múfẹ́ wù mí, ṣẹ̀gí ọwọ́ àti tẹsẹ̀. Káfárí apá kan dápá kan sí èèpà òrìṣà aṣọ funfun nímúlẹ̀ olúfẹ́ wù mí o. Ẹbọ ojoojúmọ́ nímúlẹ̀ bàbá wọn sùn mí lọ, ẹ̀yin lọmọ onífìtílà rébété. Iná kò ní kú níbẹ̀ nítọ̀sán tòru. Ibẹ̀ ní bàbá wá gbé ń kawó ẹyọ, àwa lọmọ onílù kan ìlù kan tí wọ́n ń fawọ ẹkùn ṣe. Akẹ́tẹ́pẹ́ etí erin ni wọ́n fi ń sọ́sàn rẹ̀. Oníkẹ́kẹ́ kò gbọ́dọ̀ jó, alábàjá kò gbọ́dọ̀ yẹsẹ̀. Kìkìdá oníṣọ̀bọ̀rọ̀ ni yóò jó olù náà yá. Atólóyè Májà tẹ́bú ijó, àjọ̀gọ̀nà ibí, àjọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ márù. Atólóyè Májà tẹ́bú ijó, ọ̀sán tòkì, ọmọ gbogbo mọ̀. aṣù bí èjì ó rọ̀ bí òjò, ó ṣú bí èjì ó rọ̀ pọkùnrin lóko. Atólóyè, kọlọ́run ṣe ẹ́ ní onílé yìí kó máa wọlé kó máa jáde ọmọ onílé àdéwúre, ọmọ alágbàlá àdéwúre ọmọ òrìṣà. Jẹ́ kí n làbí onílé yìí kó má ṣe kú ní kékeré, kó má ṣe dàgbà yà. Kò ní ohun tí ẹgbẹ́ rẹ ní, kí o ní ohun ju ẹgbẹ́ rẹ lọ. Kí o má ṣe ṣìwàwù sọ́mọdé àti àgbà. Ojúlé koko má fọ́, ìrà kìí gbénú iyọ̀ tó sọlá. Ọ̀tá rẹ kò ní ríbi gbéṣe sí ọ. Kòkò lójú ọ̀tá ń le lọ́tún lósì wá máa dábìrà. Wá dábìrà lórí aya, lórí àwọn ọmọ. Ilẹ̀ kò ní kánjú ẹ. Atólóyè má já o. Lélù Awóro, ọmọ awíwá má ṣe, ọmọ asọ̀rọ̀ lójú ọlọ́rọ̀. Fáyímọ̀ká ní gbélé kan odò gbé. Ògbókú nírẹ̀mọ nílé ìyá rẹ̀. Ọkọ̀ wúrà ọlá ẹni ọlágbádéró. Ọmọ wọn ládẹ àrógun. Ọmọ ajílàlà ọ̀ṣọ́, ọmọ ajífọjọ́ gbogbo dára bí egbin. Àkànjí òkú ọjọ́ ìbí o, Àkànjí òkú ọjọ́ ìbí. Bàbá Adéfowó wẹ̀ kò fowó rọlá. Bàbá Adéfọláwẹ̀ olúwa ṣeun. Òkú ọjọ́ ìbí èní, ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ á ṣe púpọ̀ ọdún láyé o. Àṣeyí ṣàmọ́dún, àṣàmọ́dún ṣẹ̀mí. Olúwaṣeun Owójọrí. Have a fantastic birthday celebration.